Meaning of decorator.
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 Decorator. In programming, a decorator is a design pattern that allows behavior to be added to an individual object, either statically or dynamically, without affecting the behavior of other objects from the same class. Decorators are typically used to wrap functions or classes and modify their behavior in various ways, such as adding new functionality, changing input parameters, or modifying the output. By using decorators, programmers can add functionality to an existing codebase without having to modify it directly, making it a useful tool for maintaining extensible and modular code.